Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy M31. We have the 64GB version with 6GB of RAM. Here are the paperwork. We don't have a case. Usually it comes with a gel skin case, but this time we don't have a case. Here we have the SIM ejection tool. This is the phone itself. Feels kinda heavy. Also, this is an adaptive fast charging brick. And also we have a Type-C cable here on the box and no earphones. So the cameras here on this model are on this position, are not like A31 or A21s or other models that have camera shaped like L. We have a main sensor here of 64 megapixels, we have a wide angle camera, and we have a macro lens. Also fingerprint is here on the back. On the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. Here we have the SIM tray, and on the bottom we have the speaker, headphone jack, and the charging port. Now, I've previously set up this device and I've done all the updates, and now we're gonna go straight to the home menu. The display of this phone is Super AMOLED. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's very bright and it has nice colors. I usually set my brightness to maximum level, but here at this phone is good. Now we have a lot of apps. This phone is made for Indian region, and we have all of these apps here. Let's go to settings, software information, and we have One UI Core 2.0 with Android version of Android 10. First thing I do when I do an unboxing is to go to camera app, add video, and see if the phone can support 60 frames per second. And as you guys can see, this phone does not support 60 frames per second, but it's available up to 4K. So we have Ultra HD, Full HD, and HD. We have video stabilization here. Also, you can enable grid lines. And on the photo here, we see that on the aspect ratio 3:4, we have 64 megapixels. Also, the front camera can record up to 4K. We have live focus, photo. Now, if we go to normal 3:4, we also have the option here for the wide angle camera. This dot here on the screen will help us to take a centered photo, and we have more here. We have food, night, macro, super slow motion, and hyperlapse. I'm quite surprised that this phone can do super slow motion, but anyway, let's see some other things. Look at the toggles here. And coming at 6 gigabytes of RAM. This phone is very smooth, considering that we have not played with animations. So the animations here are at 1, but if we go at 0.5, the phone will be a lot more faster. But it's faster even now without going into developer mode. So now the final thoughts. This phone is expensive, and to be quite honest with you, only get this phone if you cannot get your hands on another Samsung phone. I mean, this is like A51, but A51 does not have the fingerprint on the back, it's on the screen. Also, the cameras and the numbers might seem good, but this compared to A51, I would get A51 because this plastic here, it's not shiny at all. It's a fingerprint magnet, as you guys can see, and it feels cheap. The phone feels cheap. So I would say for you to get A51. I would not recommend you get M31, but it's your choice. At 6 gigabytes of RAM, it's fast, believe me, it's fast, but we can go for A51 at this price point. This phone will cost you around 270 euros. That's the price I paid for it, so it's expensive. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.